Jamb is set to release the results for the 2025 candidates, that's the 25 Jamb batch, right? Because the exam just finished today, which is 5th of May. As of the time I'm making this video, the result is not yet out. The result is not yet out, and there are statistics already released by Jamb of people that scored in their jam, how people performed in their jam. Like we have from people that scored up to 320 and above, we have 4,756 people. People that were able to score up to 320 and above. Imagine you are the one. Claim this score. Drop it in the comment section. If you are the one, claim this score. 320 to 319, we have 7,658 people. 300 and above, we have a total of 12,414 people. We have 250 to 299, we have 73,441 persons scored up to 250 to 299. From 200 to 249, we have 334,560 people that scored up to 200 to 249. Then from 160 to 199, we have 983,187 persons that scored up to 160 to 199. Then from 140 to 159, we have 488,197 people that scored up to 140 to 159. And from 120 to 139, we have 57,419 persons. Also have from 100 down, the people that scored below 100. I think those people are people that are not serious with their life. Yes, you have to take it from me. People, how will you write jam and you are scoring below 100? Like you just went there to play. Abi, what's your problem? You understand? So that is just the analytics that has been released by Jamb. So talking about how you can be able to check your Jamb results, because a lot of people have been coming to me to see how they can check their Jamb results. One of the first way you can check your Jamb results, there's actually two ways, right? So actually you can either get it online or you can get it through your SMS. But now a lot of people lost access to their SIM card, the SIM cards they use in registering Jamb. Because that is the SIM card you will use. That SIM card you use in generating your profile code. You understand? That is the same SIM card you will use to send in these keywords that I'm going to say now. So for you to check your Jamb result, what you simply do is to use that same SIM card you use in your registration and write results to 55019. That is what you do. Result to 55019 or result to 66019. That is how you can be able to check your UTME results using, if you are using SMS, for those of you that want to use SMS. Then you can also access your Jamb results online, because some people have lost access to their SIM cards. But losing access to your SIM card doesn't mean you won't be able to check your result again. So what you simply have to do is to go on to https://efacility.jamb.government.ng/login. So I'm going to drop it in the description. Check in the description, you are going to see this link. Click on the link. Then when you enter there, you are going to see the platform. Use your Gmail as your username. Then use your rec number as your password. You use your Gmail as your username and use your rec number as your password. As I'm talking to you right now, the portal has not been activated fully, so there's nothing much you can be able to do in the portal, probably except from change of name. You understand? Change of name and other issues that you might have had in the course of your registration. But for now, Jamb result is not yet out. As of 5th of May 2025, I am making this video, but we believe at least on Wednesday, which is 7th, right? We believe on 7th or probably this week, we are going to see our Jamb results. But the thing is this, you don't have to keep waiting up for Jamb results, refreshing the portal if you are checking online or wasting airtime. Because for you to send that SMS to 55019 or 66019, you must have at least 15 naira airtime for your message to send. You understand? But this is not the time for you to start wasting up time refreshing the portal, waiting for your Jamb results, right? You can make good use of this opportunity by joining our 100 days study challenge. The 100 days study challenge for people writing post UTME, and it's a very great opportunity that you take charge. If your school is writing post-UTME, you must grab this opportunity, because this opportunity comes but one. Drop it in the comment section if you are interested to join our 100-day study challenge. This is not a play, because if your school is writing post-UTME, then JAMB is just like the first step. Your post-UTME score, if you mess up in your post-UTME and you score low, then forget it. You won't still get admission. Because you can score up to 320 and you now score something like 200 and 210. 210 plus 320 divided by 2, you get to see that your score will go down, right? So you must also prepare hard for your post-UTME. So if you're interested, like I said, drop it in the comment section. And can you access your portal? Do you know your email? Do you know the Gmail you use to register your JAMB? Do you know the email? If you don't know, drop it in the comment section and I can see how I can be able to help you. Please stay safe. Stay safe from those people coming to your DM, chatting on social media, that they can help you boost your JAMB score. Anything you score there is your score. Just forget about it. If you score low, chill. Next day, you still prepare and write JAMB. You understand? Don't fall for anything like people that want to boost your JAMB score. There is nothing like JAMB boosting. So that is just it. I've already told you how to check your JAMB results using SMS and also using online, that is using the JAMB caps. So the JAMB caps is simply the central admission processing system. That is where you can be able also to accept or decline your admission. So if you wish to continue getting daily updates like this, we love this content, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share this video to your friend so that they can come here and get value and in turn, I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're patient. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Your JAMB score is going to be very good. I really love you. Thank you.